Well, I'm from Wisconsin, so it is just the opening of partridge season, or we call it ruffled grouse season in Wisconsin, so I'd eat it.
Second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 2 turtle doves.
Close the cabin door and give them some privacy.
Yes, that'd be nice. We will not hear a thing. And by the way, let's fly south to Caribbean or something.
Take them to a beach.
Yeah, why not?
Third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 3 French hens.
I was hoping actually for 3 Irish hens. I'm Irish.
Fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds.
Well, since I'm in the UK, and 4 birds calling means something different than it does in American English terms, I won't comment on that side. And in American terms, 4 calling birds, I have no clue what the heck that means. So, I don't know, I guess I'll give it to somebody else, let them worry about it.
Sent to me 5 golden rings.
It's very simple. I take the 5 golden rings, I melt them down, I buy some more King Airs.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
6 geese a laying for Christmas. I'm going to eat one of them because it's Christmas and I like geese or goose, and I'm going to let the other 5 run around the garden, and by Boxing Day there might only be 3 geese a laying.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 7 swans.
So I've actually got 7 swans
I'm giving you the 7 swans.
of my own.
All of your own.
I can do anything with them that I want.
Anything you want with the swans.
I would eat them.
Okay, you're not allowed to eat them. Not in England.
I know, because of the Queen, right?
Exactly.
How outrageous is that? The only person that can eat a swan in our country is the Queen herself.
So you-
How selfish. They're probably lovely. That's why she wants them, all for herself.
Six geese a laying 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles.
So I nailed it.
You nailed it. High five.
Take that, Kenny.
You did, yeah.